Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to play Pizza game, which is the most known play to earn game in Avalanche network. Uh, if you wanna learn how to install and use MetaMask, which is the must useful wallet to play this game, you can watch my other video in edit to cards right corner. Well, let's begin. Pizza game's main idea: you have chefs and tools to make a pizza. Uh, the every tool has a unique ppm value. Pizza peel, for example, 1 ppm, pizza cutter 3 ppm, pizza box is a 5 ppm, and our newest tool, dough mixer, is a 7 ppm, which is very good. Uh, they are use they are using with chefs. First of all, you need to chef. You will mint or buy chef from NFT trade, which is the our most most known NFT trading website for pizza game. I will add to this NFT trade links and other useful links in explanation. Uh, First of all, you need to buy a mint a chef, and you can uh, then you can buy or mint tools. They have one chef have a 1 ppm, and tools are different ppm, as you can see. Uh, well, you can see buy soda for $0.27, and you can of course buy a pizza from this button. When you click this button, it will redirect to traderjoexyz.com, which is our official trading platform for pizza game. You can use these shortcuts from the pizza game main site. Our main currency is a pizza and AVAX. Soda will soda can buy with the pizza, and you can convert your pizzas to soda, and you convert your sodas to pizza. There's a three part of this game, which is the pizzeria, which is the staking, and which is the Mafia Boss. Our first Mafia Boss came and we defeat in approximately 1 day, which is a very good time for the community. We bribe a lot of pizza to him, and he go away for now. We don't know when he come again. This is a new version update, and this is a new pizza burning mechanism for stabilizing and rise the pizza currency. Yeah, in the staking part, you can see pizza bank, soda bank, freezer, and soda fountain. The pizza bank and soda bank is most likely the normal bank. You stake pizza to pizza bank, and you will learn uh, WAVAX, which is the wrapped AVAX, is the equal value with AVAX, uh, and you can stake the soda to this soda bank and also earn WAVAX from this one. The APR ratios is written, and of course many people stake and unstake to this bank. The APR ratio is changing time by time. The freezer is a very useful tool for the long playing games. This main idea in the freezer: you stake your pizzas to this freezer, and uh, they give a additional pizza when everyone claim his pizza. The machine give you an additional pizza for you, and you be careful in this mechanic. You must, as you can see, you must wait 2 days from unstaking this tool. If you don't want to wait 2 days, you might lose half of your pizza. This is a very bad situation for you. And most using tool after version 2 update is a soda fountain, which is the use staking LP, Pizza AVAX LP token to soda fountain, and this machine gives you a daily soda for example, upgrading your skills. As you can see, there is a skill tree. There's a lot of skill in here, like decrease the amount of pizza burned when claim. And I opened two skill, which are pizza loyalty rating. It can help use this pizza box and dough mixer, and there's a little red note in here, requires a pizza loyalty training, and which is the topping station skill. This is a capacity increasing skill. This tool is very uh, useful after version 2 update. Yeah, in the staking tab, you can see your working chefs and attached tools to them. Well, on staking tab, uh, you can see your unstaking chefs and tools. When resting in resting tab, you can your chefs which are resting for 6 hours or 12 hours is depending on the which fatigue they reach. After 50% fatigue level, if you want to rest your chefs, they will rest 12 hours. If you want to rest your chef below 50%, you can rest them 6 hours. The other mechanics is a Mafia Boss, which came after the version 2 update. I will add a short video from recording my phone in this video part. If you have another question, you can write on the comments, and if you want to play or learn something about this game, you can join our awesome Discord group and ask any question to us. We can give briefly answer for you. I highly recommend play this game and earn passive income. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget like my video. Have a nice day.